In this video, we will discuss practical implementation of array. I have written an example here. I have let fruits. In fruits, I have stored two values in array, apple and orange. Apple is at 0 index and orange is at 1 index. With document.write, I type fruits. The one written below, we will comment that with Ctrl plus K plus C. In this way, it won't be visible. After this, when I am going to refresh and see, the names of fruits will appear on screen. Fruits name, I will have a line break here. Using BR, it will go to the next line, and in fruits, I have them both. Now, I want only apple. It is on 1 index. To access this, I will write in one variable, let first equals to fruits of 0. It will also come in brackets, same like the way I initialized array. I will also initialize 0. In document.write, first element is apple, in 1. Now I want to see the length, so I have written var length equals to fruits.length. Then in document.write, we will see its length. The length will be 2. We have discussed three things here. First, how we initialize an array, how can we access the index and its length. If I access one index here, I will get orange. Let me see. First element and it is orange. So we have seen how to access array and its length. Further, we see the methods of array. I have done one more thing, console.log for fruits. If I will see that here, it will give me the information automatically. 2 is the length. At 0 index, apple is placed at 1 orange. In console log for debugging and understanding, I have done this.